Hello, my name is Ms. Wendy. I work at Eucalyptus Elementary School, and today I have a DIY for you guys to do at home. You will need 10 plastic plates, 2 different color pens. I chose red and black. Then a pair of scissors. Then tape of any kind that you have. You would have to get your plates, your pair of scissors, and get one plate and start cutting like this. And you want to stop to the point of the inner circle right here, as you can see, and start cutting all the way around. And once you do that, so once you're done with your inner circle, so I am gonna continue cutting my plates, and you can set your outer circle to the side. And once I am done cutting all my 10 plates, I'm gonna get my red pen, do an X, and for my black pen I'm gonna use for the O's, and it should look like this, already in set. And once I have all my 5 X's and 5 O's, then I can flip them around and get my tape, cut a bit of tape to set on the back of the plate. It should be a really good amount of tape because you're gonna roll it up and stick it to the back of the plate like I'm doing it. So I will demonstrate that right now. For me, it didn't stick to that side, so I flipped it over, and as you can tell, it sticked. So once I do that to one of my plates, then you want to do it to all of them. So once you're done with taping your plates, you could go to your set of tic-tac-toe. I did it on my fridge. So now you have your X's and your O's on the other side. Once you are done with that, we could get started with the game. Yay, we have a winner. Okay, so I made a trophy at the end, and so can you. So now go and have fun.